Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei Naka jing beteng jong sorkar ban pentre kam hok ya ke jingiram ke bawan lengba ke sorkar pedeng lan nangla ban sakhi ya ke jingyeng ban ke jingmi jong ki kampen roy bat ki lat jing mentoy ya ki pai ba ke jela om dei tang kata henry ke jing penmang bat wanra ya ki kampen roy lengba ke sorkar jela lan nangla ban sakhi ki kampen roy hakeleng ki caka jong jela menta ke sengi ha ke jingwan hiar jong menteri Rangbah ke sorkar jela Ukonrat kongkal sangma hak Shillong pahams im Nongpoh Bhoi district ulawan ban Plie pajba yaki kamera kelas jong school sorkar kabala tim kum ka eklavia model residential school kabala tei hak dong Chinchona jong Shillong pahams im bat kum juro ka jing sedang no yaki jing ai jing hikai hak ni school sorkar hak ni sengi naloru menteri Rangbah lawan ye poilang ki menteri sorkar ke jela ki bakentop ya menteri bedipet ye ketenat pule puti uba lakmen romboi menteri ke kot ke khia uma wailan miki sela menteri ke CNRD uba sastana sotun ki nong mikmat pajba kathan ki bakentop ya MLA uba Meral Bonsim ka MDC ke kong Rona Khamdej deputy commissioner ke district Abilash Baranwal SSP ke district VS Rotor lembat ke jingiran lang jong ki officer ke district na kita nak trikam ba pher jong sorkar kentup de ya ki khna school ki bede ki khna school ban ningkong jong ni school sorkar ki kimi ki khpa lemru bat ki khna school ki ba marjan ki badan hakne ka than ha ka ju ko por nagalang jong menteri Rangbah ha ka jingiran lang jong ki menteri sorkar Ryngkat MLA ka than la Plie pajba mat bu yo mau nong rem bante saya ki Tylli Jingtei ki Baheh hakne ka Shillong ki bakentop ya ka madani lekai ki melatip kum ka synthetic athletic track ban mau nong rem bante ya ka convention center haba ajin kran nagalang jong menteri Rangbah ula pensai kedar ya ka kom perkhat jong ki pajba ki bakran haki rensan social media bat ka jinge kran ka baharum haneng da ka baong ba ki babun ki shubu ka kom perkhat balada wan Plie pajba ye ki Jingtei bat ki kampen roy balai da sorkar harilum khasi ki pajba na rilum garo ki ong ba ka sorkar kala shu rabet tang ha khasi jantia bat lada Plie pajba ye ki kampen roy ni ki Jingtei harilum garo ki pajba na ri khasi jantia ki ong ba ka sorkar ha ka jingelam jong u kum menteri Rangbah ula ralut ye ki kampen roy sha rilum garo bat kene kar kom perkhat dai ban pendu no shisendon namar haba wanra yeki kampen roy hakelang ki jaka jong jela ka dehi hapok jela meghalia bat barok ki dei ki briu jong jela ki blaim bat yang na kamenta ka bet ka biang jong jela ha ka baul ongro ba ka sorkar MDA omdei ba ka sulet bu yeki mau nong rem hakelang ki jaka henry ka donru ka jing Plie pajba yeki Jingtei hadin ka jingbu yeki mau nong rem ka balong hadin ka jing pendam yeki kam
clear in the way we are proceeding forward as a government, as a state. And therefore for us, we don't look at a scheme, but we look at who the beneficiary of the scheme is. And we look at the students, the youth of our state. We look at the farmers of our state. We look at the women of our state. And we ask ourselves the question that will this scheme and will this development help them? And if it will, then we go ahead with that program and scheme. And this change in the entire mindset in governance is what is driving the way we are moving forward as a state. You'll be happy to know that Meghalaya today is the second fastest growing economy in the country today. And we are the only economy that is growing at 10%. At constant prices, at real GDP growth of 10% every year in the last consecutive years, in the last 3 years. And I'm expecting that this growth rate will only increase in the coming years. And therefore, this kind of focused approach, stakeholder-based approach, keeping the person in mind and not the scheme in mind, this approach and this mindset is what is driving us forward, motivating us to do the things that we do. And I'm very hopeful that this will bring the kind of change that the people and the citizens of Meghalaya have been longing for. And today is a great example of that change that we are promising, and I assure you that this will continue in the days to come. My students, I don't want to say much but this is a great opportunity that you are getting. I'm sure there will be many, many youngsters who will be wanting to study in the school. Close to 2,000 students had applied, but only few of you were selected. So I hope you will appreciate it, value it, and commit yourself to the education that is being given to you out here. To conclude, I only want to tell the students that while you study, make sure that you study with full commitment. While you grow and while you learn, remember it's not just what the textbook is teaching you, but I hope you learn and grow as a person. I hope the right values are there in you. I hope at the end of the day, while education and studies and grades are important, please remember, the most important thing is to be a good human being. I hope that while you succeed in life, you will always remember your roots. You will always be humble. You will always be kind. And you will always be thankful to God, to your parents, to your teachers, and all those who will come along your way as you move forward in your journey in life. Friends, for us as a government, we have always stressed on ensuring that there is all-round development of our state. We don't believe in selective development. We don't believe that just because somebody didn't vote for me in my election, didn't vote for my party, that I will start to neglect them. We don't believe that just because a particular region is not my community, not my tribe, that I will start to neglect them. We don't believe that just because our faiths are different, that we will not give you the development that you deserve. During election time, yes, we have our own political parties. Because as candidate, we are working towards the people who are supporting us. But when you become chief minister, then you are chief minister for those who voted for you and chief minister for those who did not vote for you. You are chief minister of your people, your tribe, your community, and of every single person who is living in our state of Meghalaya. And therefore, if you look at our development models, we have projects going on everywhere. And I find it very amusing sometimes. Today I have inaugurated this building and inaugurated the classrooms, and I'm laying the foundation of the synthetic athletic track right here in Nongpoh. I won't be surprised when somebody will comment from Garo Hills and say, oh, everything is going to Khasi Hills and nothing is coming to Garo Hills. And tomorrow when I go and lay a foundation stone in Garo Hills, then somebody from Khasi Hills will comment, oh, everything is going to Garo Hills and nothing is coming to Khasi Hills. Friends, we need to stop this divisive thought process and this divisive politics that is very, very toxic for our state. We are working for everyone. And I have made it very clear, not just through my words. I have never spoken like this. Only now I am talking in these lines. Yesterday I was with Basanbor Shulai, and you know he's a very direct speaker. So he was mentioning in his speech that our government believes in action and not in talking. But I feel sometimes we need to talk also. Because we are too quiet sometimes. And therefore, friends, I urge, especially our youngsters, whether there is a project that comes up in Gao Hills, in Nongpoh, in Nongstoin, in Williamnagar, in Plie, it is our people, our state that is being developed. We are benefiting. Our youngsters are benefiting. We should be proud and we should be happy. I would love to see comments that should come from governments today that should say, we feel happy for our youngsters from Nongpoh area, from Bhoi, for the academic session that has started, for the synthetic athletic track that we have laid down. And that is the kind of positivity that we'd like to see. And friends, we are not a government that believes only in foundation stone laying. Inauguration has been done. We have started the academic session today of the EMRS. It's not a foundation stone. But while we're inaugurating the academic session, we are laying a foundation stone for the synthetic track also, which also I'll assure you that we will inaugurate. We laid the foundation for the Maukanu 40,000 seater, largest football stadium in the country. The work for this has started today. Do we have a picture of that? Can you just put that picture up? I just want to show you some pictures. The largest football stadium in the country is coming up right here in our state of Meghalaya.
This institution is in your hand. You have to manage it. You have to give education to our children. And I know at the start there is so many constraints, but we are here to help you. We are there to help you in the days to come, so that whatever difficulties you face, we will solve together. I'm sure the Deputy Commissioner who is here, his officers who are here, they will help you from time to time in managing and in streamlining the functioning of the school. Parlambaro, Karibhoi ke Digrambok, Namarwa, Nadu Kapor Kabalashim, Childisada, Kondat ke Sama, Nilayoi, Shibun, Kijingkala, Nimla Banle, Karibhoi Kalayo in the College of Harkma, Nilapundung, Yakaribhoi College, Kaweli College Barintan, Kumka People's College, Nila Idea, Nilapundung People's College, Yaka Balaban College of Muslim, Nalon, Ka UCC Beralpa, but Kabangasot na halusnen, kasarkar kala upgrade yang di secondary school sa high school, bakla introduce ro yang iway patikos hapo kajiran patakma nakbata ka cimbe-cimbeyang jong na school. Deta kada ngalong ngadak lagi kemen bakine kinamlong ay klem kajidon kinang nikmat jampi lagi di MLA but kibande kinang pratanti bagi nang pelitho yang hi sa sarkar bakudon o chief minister basna ya kajiput jong kinang nikmat kijampi yang di school mamla online nilawan batu ba meral hamne nanti kejeka bagi nang kitkan na Shillong kubeshipun Rangbah Shillong depan sim bagi seperti hakopor Lembang dispun sing jampi nilalong kumne. Keurang kamenta. This is just the beginning. Kane terjadi di kap pateng la pateng. Kasyong hapi ke. Kumno bagin sumare. Kasyong hati kena school. 175 of them as they here this year. Class 6, 7 and 8. Next year will be more. So I hope that this institution, I urge the faculty, I urge the teacher, please take care of them. I know, as I said before, difficulties will be there, inconvenience will be there, but we are there to help you. We want that these EMRS Pahansin will be the leading light for all the Class A EMRS in the state of Meghalaya, which are coming up in the days to come.
Ublay ay ke jingku leba ka Jingtei stom ke jong Chief Minister Minister of Education nanta Minister beripet eknat dapat ketia buat ikam sports agni keski hakaba ilayo ban launch yaka academic session kalau sisa keski kemen ban penpau kamtam hagidei berkepuli keputi kaba ki khun sama lali ki longgien ki bangkot bor ban pha ki khun nagunta ki jingpuli ki bakham biang ban mensa kadai kalat kelenti kaba maki kiyo ban bu iki khun ki ki nagunta ban yo ki jingkai po jo ke school ngasukmen aku kata-kata agba ngai sakawai pa project agade batka ki track and field nangka ki gallery Ivan Seshna hari apo pamsim but om kan kata lade ban kren lade ban pensio naik non kren ke baswa jona but Shibun ki jingkren ki bang ilayosyo hakeleng jong the district kajungi bat kajela kajungi hi brokaway hakaba ki infrastructures ki Jingtei lagalong haka sports lagalong surok lagalong haka kot kathia kapuli kaputi ngili Shibun ki Jingtei kiba ladep bat kiba langyay kine baro kine lingba ka jingiri jingay the far sighted of the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma and all the concerned ministers and all the officers who have been working tirelessly to make sure that all these projects get completed. Barok nidang kata kejingkren hakabidei bakti projects kibaper. Kini barok kidei lima kejingkren sistem kejong kinoilam lima kejingkren sistem kejong Honorable Chief Minister, Minister, nata ki officers baro, but nilai Shibun, ki kampung roy, lani kita ki facilities, kiba lala pan pimpin pimpian, na kerja ke district bat ke jela ke kijungi, ke Jingtei, bat ke Jingtei, ke jong local MLA, kaba Mapi pilih hakani kesini layo ban pelong ni ke program ni ke inaugural function batunjuk nan taban le ke foundation stone kasokar MBA tu ke kasokar kabaran jikit klik nan taki paiba ban government scam ba Shibun kijing peroi insawan ban urung nang sekmat hati babun ki bynta of the district omtang the district kejungi and they haki wait district but the jela hi brokaway Kaji kublai ke berkerbang yang di department super-repair ibala Shillong nak menca ban pinpit pendiang nak menca ke Jingtei Shillong berjumpi ban Chinchona ba kalau ka infrastructure na ke Jingtei kalau ke Jingtei na ke infrastructure kabala ban pinpit na ban pinpit hakapor kepada Rangbah di Jingtei jong di phun di jong the district ke jungi ba ke Jingtei jong di Plie hak jela ke jungi Bhoi Shillong iba Bhoi hakapor kebabian ba di Plie baru inyo yang di Jingtei katung ke Jingtei Shillong ba katung ke Baheh ke Sultan kalai na ke bynta di district ba ke jela di Bhoi
Hado khatsau puan ar kunai rul but ketika scheme nila wanra naka Ministry of Donor katanan kan neset but yaka final work order nila dan I shop contractor but kekam kan sedang lahi but harus kepor ni assure ya pi pentikna ya pi ba kekam kan yaiha but bakan dep hakapor kenang bakan long ke jingterku ya ikon samla jong kene ke thai ban nasno tunat sikataye ban don bentalang sahakane ko ke program ka official inauguration for academic session jong kene ka EMRS kabalong ro kabanungkong tam hapo ka state ke jongi kaban sedang hangni nasno komen hanu kata-kata marah kini por koladet haka jingalam kemat jong ilokelen MLA jong pi kum chairman jong estimate committee nila dari awan hangne ban pertikena bakan ke school bakan sedang haka por ke badai kenang bakan long ke jingkerku kum bapilatif bakan ke school kalong take kum balong ke JNV bakan long sisa ke jingkerku kam tam yaki pun samla dene ki samla juni bawan na kilong yin ki baduk national convention kata ya ban ngakip pok gedweng ba kene ke project kan long jingker ku bat lembah kini ki way project tiba lawan ha kene ka district in yarap shibon ban bill ya ki kon samla jongi ki ban salong ki future leader jongi
in terms of giving the land for various infrastructure within the state. We have seen their generosity in terms of giving the land free of cost with regard to the ongoing the GNM nursing school, as well as today we are standing here, this is also the land giving free of cost by the Dorbat Shnong and the right, as well as the land for the construction of the synthetic athletic track of the sports department also is a land giving by this particular community.